Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make banana nut bread and I'll be using my June oven. Alexa, preheat June oven to 350 degrees.
Preheating June oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for baking.
While your oven is preheating, melt some butter and set it to the side to cool. Now take some overripe bananas and mash them up. Once your bananas are nice and mashed, it's time to add in some plain yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt, a couple of eggs, and if you're strong enough, open up some vanilla and add that as well. I don't know why this vanilla was fighting with me, but I won, y'all. And then finally, you're going to add in the melted butter. And then next, we'll move on to the dry ingredients. So we've got some flour, some sugar, some salt, and some baking soda. And at this point, I would add some cinnamon, but I did forget. And we're going to whisk the dry ingredients together. Then we're going to gently fold in the wet ingredients and make sure you don't overmix. At this point, you can add in some chopped pecans or walnuts, but my youngest doesn't like nuts, so I'm just going to add mine to the top of the bread loaf. So mix the ingredients together, and once everything is well incorporated, go ahead and add the batter to your greased loaf pan. Next, I topped my batter with some pecan halves. At first I was going to be all cute with it, but then I was like, girl, you are tired. Let's hurry up and get these nuts on here so you can go to bed. So I just threw them on there, and then I sprinkled the top with some sugar in the raw. Now it's time to transfer your loaf pan to your oven, and you are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 55 minutes. Thanks to the June's internal camera, I was able to monitor my banana bread as it baked. And halfway through the cooking process, I did rotate the pan 180 degrees, and then I covered with foil so it wouldn't get too brown. When your banana bread is done baking, let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack to finish cooling. Once it's all done, it's time to slice it up and serve it up. So, what do you think of this easy peasy banana bread recipe? Well, if you like it, please give me a thumbs up as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and tap that button and click that bell. We're so close to 10,000 subscribers, guys. Help me out. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.